Hello everyone, my name is Olebogeng. Welcome to another episode. Today we are touring the Precinct Luxury Apartments located in Waterfall area. This estate consists of 3-bedroom apartments, the biggest being 116 square meter floor area. 2-bedroom apartments, the biggest being 110 square meter floor area, and the last one, 1-bedroom units, the biggest being 67 square meter floor area. Right in front of me, it is where the apartments are located, and right behind me, it is the lifestyle hub. Before we start touring these apartments, I would love to thank Century Developments and House Rentals for allowing us to tour their amazing, beautiful luxury apartments. Now, let's begin. For the start of our tour, we are going to start touring the lifestyle hub, and when we are done, we are going to tour the luxury apartments. Now, follow me as we tour the lifestyle hub. In the entrance of this lifestyle hub, you have a well access control for this, and all the residents who stay here, they have access to all the facilities, including the gym. You don't have to pay for the gym. All that is included in your rentals. Okay, now let's go inside to tour the facilities of this lifestyle hub. Okay everyone, this is the entrance of the lifestyle hub. On my left, you have a reception of the lifestyle hub. This is one of the sitting arrangements of the restaurant. If you can follow me, we have a swimming pool over there, and that building over there is a double volume. Actually, it's a triple volume gym. Now let's go inside the lifestyle hub and check out the facilities of this lifestyle hub. Okay, this is the entrance to the lifestyle hub. You'll find a nice gentleman over here who will welcome you to the lifestyle hub.
Hello, how are you?
Great. All right. Here it's the bathrooms for the lifestyle hub. After the entrance to your bathrooms, you have a nice sitting area over here. And on my right over here, you have the chef's kitchen for the staff area. And before we go past, I could not just ignore this art piece over here on this wall. It is called the Mushroom, made of copper, by Mandy Johnston. I just thought it's a beautiful art piece. This is very brilliant. Okay, now over here, it is another sitting arrangement for this lifestyle hub. This stairs takes you to the meeting rooms and function rooms. This side, it's the restaurant, wine cellar for the restaurant, and bar sitting area for the restaurant over here. Sufficient sitting areas for this restaurant. And what I also like in this restaurant, you have an outside sitting area which gives you brilliant views of the area around. What I also like, it is nice lighting fixture above me, beautiful. On my left, you have an outside sitting area next to the swimming pool. Now, let's go outside. Actually, we go downstairs to check out the game center and the cinema room. Now we are done touring the lifestyle hub. We're gonna head over to the triple volume gym. Thereafter, we'll do the 3-bedroom apartments, 2-bed, and the 1-unit apartments. Let's go. All right, everyone. The building right behind me is the triple volume gym. It also consists of a saloon and a spa. Now we're gonna go head over to it and tour the facilities of this gym. Okay everyone, we are done touring this gym. Now we are going to go to the apartments to tour the apartments. I thought just before we leave, I thought this gym has a lot of gym equipment and I found it very convenient to have it right inside your complex or in your estate where you are. All right, now we are done. Let's go tour the apartments. Let's go. This is a 3-bedroom apartment located on the first floor of this block unit. When you enter this living space of this apartment, on my left you have an ensuite main bedroom, and this is the living space. Let's start touring the bedroom. In this bedroom, on my left, when you enter, you have a walk-in closet that is sufficiently spaced to put on your clothes in here. As I close, when I walk over here, we have a bathroom of this bedroom, and this bedroom has a floating vanity setup, a shower, water closet. What I also like about this bathroom is your windows are frosted for privacy. As I come back to the main bedroom, I love the staging in this bedroom, and what I also feel it is very convenient in this bedroom, it is well spaced, giving you options to put whatever that you want to put when you move into this bedroom, this apartment. You have a picture window over here that is giving you sunset views and the overall complex. I thought it's a beautiful one. Now let's walk outside. Let us head over to the living space and tour the rest of the apartment. This living space, I love it. Before we go in detail, I want to highlight the main character of this living space. The facial face brick over here that gives this living space some character and weight. Well spaced living area with a dining table, currently staged at a 6-sitting dining table. TV setup area over here, well spaced. I love it. Behind me, you have a kitchen. Let's walk inside this kitchen. In this kitchen, you have a tile backsplash, and you have a 4-plate induction stove. On my left, they have made some space for your refrigerator, and over here, this space looks like it's used for putting in your washing machine. Another space for another electric appliance, which could be a dishwasher. and you have a sink tap over here. What I also like about this kitchen is they have put a picture window here giving you views of around. Now what I like about this kitchen, in most cases when you make a decision of buying an apartment or renting an apartment, you don't think about small things like this one. They have made a small cabinetry here where you can use to put your cleaning equipment. There's nothing frustrating like moving into an apartment and you don't know where to put things like cleaning equipment and things like that. Now we are done touring this kitchen. As you exit the kitchen, on my right you have a hallway taking you to the 2 other bedrooms. Before we get to those bedrooms, I love the staging over here. This art piece, it's beautiful. It's a steel frame with LED lights giving you a reflection of this steel frame. As I take a walk to the 2 bedrooms, before I get there, I want to show you that you have an additional storage cabinetry over here. In front of me, left, it's bedroom number 1, in front number 2. Before we get to the bedrooms, let's tour the bathroom first. Inside the bathroom, this bathroom, also has a floating vanity design, a frosted window, which I like this frosted window concept. Water closet. Now this bathroom has a bathtub as an additional and a shower. As I exit this bathroom, I'm going to start with this bedroom over here that is currently staged as an office area. I love the wallpaper in front of this office table. Beautiful fixture there. Nice bookshelf over here, and in front of me they have a sliding door taking you to the balcony area here. All right, we are done with this bedroom. Let's go next door and tour the next bedroom. Now this is the 3rd bedroom. I love the current staging as well. I love the wallpaper behind the bed and this mirror fixture over here. This bedroom also has a beautiful picture window here. This bedroom does not have a balcony area. Now that's all about this bedroom. Pretty much we are done with touring this 3-bedroom apartment. Now we are going to go to tour a 2-bedroom apartment. Okay everyone, now we are in the 2-bedroom apartment. This 2-bedroom apartment is an 89 square meter loft. Above you have the bedrooms, and here you have the open plan space. On my left you have part of the kitchen setup, which continues on my right over to that corner. The staging, currently they put a dining table here, and just underneath your staircase taking you to the upper floor, the current staging here, they made it as an office setup. And what I also like is next to the kitchen here you have a nice balcony over here. All right, now as I walk around, we have a sitting lounge over here and with a space to put your TV. And just before we go to the upper floor, you have another space where you can put whatever that you want to put here, with a picture window over here giving you views of the sunset. Let's go up and go check the 2 bedrooms above. Okay everyone, now I'm on the 2nd floor of this apartment. In this landing you have 2 bedrooms and a bathroom. This bathroom, let's go inside. In this bathroom you have a bathtub, a floating design here. You have a water closet as well. Let's go out and check out the bedrooms. Let's start with this one on my immediate left. As I walk inside this bedroom, well spaced. The current staging, they put these nice shelves over here, a bed sufficiently sized, closet over here. And it also has a picture window. Let's go to the 2nd bedroom, then we are done with this 2-bedroom apartment. Next door, this is the 2nd bedroom of the apartment, and this one is a main bedroom. Immediately on my right, we have a bathroom that has a shower, a floating vanity setup, and a water closet. What I also like about this bedroom is it has a balcony when you want to go outside for fresh air. The bedroom also has a closet sufficiently enough for this bedroom. You have a bed set up over here, beautiful, minimal, and I love the staging as well. All right guys, now we are done with this 2-bed apartment. Let's go check the 1-bed apartment. Let's go. Now this is the 1-bedroom apartment. In closing, before we wrap up the tour, it is worth mentioning extra amenities the estate has that encourages an active, healthy lifestyle with numerous outdoor facilities within the indigenous landscape. The outdoor facilities include several children's play parks with shaded pavilions, swimming pools, walking and running trails, multi-purpose sports fields such as tennis, soccer, basketball courts, etc. The Precinct Luxury Apartments is conveniently located in close proximity to numerous schools, shopping centers like the Mall of Africa, corporate nodes, and the main arterial highway. Once again, I would love to thank Century Property Developments and House Rentals for allowing us to tour their amazing luxury apartments. Thank you for watching. See you on the next episode.